Palantir Technologies just released their first earnings report of 2024, and as we expected, they blew expectations out of the water. The stock is up nearly 40% in the past 2 trading days as a result, and I'm very proud to say that over at Waves Capital, we've been experiencing some pretty life-changing gains within the portfolio. In this video, I don't want to talk to you about the details and intricacies of this report. There are plenty of articles you can read that go over the numbers, or you can pause the video right now and read over a couple of key points I have highlighted here. What I do want to do in this video is take a look at Palantir on the charts, talk some technicals, and talk to you guys about why I believe there is further room to rally in the short term, even though we've already shot up, as I said, like 40% over the past couple of days. Okay, on top of talking upside price targets, I want to talk to you about how I'm taking profits. Again, it's been an amazing day, a couple of days in the Waves portfolio. And I said, when I'll start taking profits, I've already taken a good amount of profits and really kind of rebalanced some of my positioning, but I'm still holding many Palantir calls. And right now, I want to give you my primary Palantir position that I'm currently trading, okay? And because all the members of Waves Capital, I'm assuming, got in well before this, they've already ridden a lot of these gains. I'm sure they won't mind me sharing this position with you guys. Okay, so this is my trade alert from this morning. Again, the profits keep coming for Palantir. I'm just going to scroll down real quick to right here. So this is my primary Palantir position as of right now. It is a March 15th, $21 Palantir call. Okay, so far, as of today, again, I sold a pretty solid chunk of these contracts today. This position, as I'm recording this video, could be up even higher right now because I see Palantir climbing a little more, is up a total of 700% since an inception, since we initially bought the shares, or the calls, I should say. Okay, that is an 8x on our money. So congrats to any of you guys who are members of the portfolio. As we'll get to as we jump into the charts, I do believe there's still room to run. Again, a lot of the gains have been made. If you didn't catch it early, then, that's a bummer. There's always more positions like this out there. But I want to talk to you guys about why I still think Palantir has upside potential in the next week or two, and where I'll take some profits next. Okay? That said, if you guys want to know how I'm personally trading Palantir, literally within hours of me actually making these trades, on top of all of the other trades that are currently in my portfolio that are right above this in my Trade Alert newsletter. If you want these daily newsletters that I send out every single morning during market hours, okay? First thing I do when I wake up, trade and write these newsletters. If you guys want this, that is the first link in the description of this video. You can always find my options trading course on there as well. If you don't know how to trade options and you want to sign up, then you should probably learn, because I primarily swing trade options, okay? Not day trade options, I swing trade options. It's a little more medium to long term. Okay. Anyway, if you want to join Waves Capital for real, if you want to become a member, if you want to ride the waves with us into the spring season, again, I'm sure there's many more gains to come for us. I'm feeling very confident. First link takes you to this page. You can choose the pricing plan, $15 a month, $40 for every 3 months. It's completely up to you. Try it free if you want. If you don't like it, you can always just peace out. But I trust you'll be sticking around. The numbers talk. And honestly, I was thinking about bringing up Robinhood and kind of proving the 700% gain that we saw today. But any of you guys who are members can attest to that fact, and I didn't really feel it was necessary. So in the comments below, let's celebrate, and it would be greatly appreciated for you who are existing members if you just shared a little testimony or something, okay? Very much appreciated. Once again, if you do want to sign up, it's the first link in the description. Appreciate it if you do. If not, no worries at all. Congrats if you got in on this trade, either earlier or from my last video that I posted a few days ago before the report. Okay, that said, Palantir, again, since the earnings is currently up, let's get a quick price range right here. I'm just going to stay zoomed out because this is pretty simple. It is up a total of 43%. Pretty damn impressive. But what's really, really exciting me at the moment isn't only the volume you can see as of today. We still have like 45 minutes left in the trading day as I'm recording this. 224 million shares traded on the average volume of 63 million shares. Yesterday, we traded, I believe, 470 million shares, which is 8x average. It was 8x average volume as of yesterday. So similar to our contracts. It's pretty funny. But anyway, on top of the insane volume, on top of the hype and momentum that's already like stored within the AI sector of the stock markets. Nvidia continues to climb. It's crazy. But AI hype is real. Palantir just crushed earnings. The fundamentals are there. Small to mid-cap stocks, growth assets, risk assets. That's a whole lot right there. Risk assets are regaining favor in the eyes of investors. This is like the perfect storm for Palantir stock. And now we have the technical cherry on top being a break of long-term resistance. So the line of resistance that has been in play since August of 2023. You can see here, touch point. Palantir has virtually been trading within a range, okay? It's been trading within, you could almost call this a very subtle ascending channel, but it's more of a slightly ascending range, okay? The bottom line of resistance here, top line of resistance here, this green line. And as of today, we have successfully broken above this line of long-term, what I would say macro resistance, okay? So that is clearly very good news. From here, my price target is going to be the line of resistance on this reclaimed shorter term ascending channel that has been in place since October of 2023. You can see here, high creating the line of resistance, low creating that line of support. We have now reclaimed levels above the line of support and also breaking above long-term resistance. I think it's incredibly likely, I will say that in the short term, it's entirely possible that we correct 2 to 3% to retest broken long-term resistance as new short-term support. That's pretty damn likely to happen, to be honest. But overall, over the next couple of weeks, I do think that it's possible by February 15th, by the middle of the month, next Friday, we'll say, I do think Palantir could potentially climb another another 18% up to $28 in order to test the line of resistance on this reclaimed shorter term ascending channel. There, I will take a significant sum of profits. I may leave a little bit on the table just in case this sees a hype rally and like a little hype cycle, which would be freaking awesome. But you got to play it responsibly, you guys. I have already taken a significant sum of profits, and those of you who are once again members of Waves Cap would know that. To close it out, you guys, cheers. Again, this is we're pretty fresh into the year, but this is definitely our biggest trade of the year so far. Again, an 8x is for on any day. Great. But I trust there's more of these to come, and I'm really excited to, again, ride the waves through the rest of 2024 with you guys. Before we close it out, for the last time, if you want to become a member of Waves Capital, if you want to know how I'm trading my personal portfolio on a daily basis, it's the first link in the description once again. Welcome to the team. If you do, congrats to members of the team, and congrats to all of you who got in on this Palantir trade, because this is an absolute banger. Until next time, you guys, always remember, take action, make waves. Peace.